Hi guys, welcome to QA Training Hub. This is Subba Raju. In this session, I am going to introduce to you people types of testing in the quality assurance. There are different types of testings existed, guys. A few major types available in the software quality assurance. In this major types of testing, we come to know some of the things very clearly because these are the commonly asking questions in the interview panel. At the same time, a little confused environment. In that one, first we can see smoke testing. Second, we can see sanity testing. What is smoke testing? Smoke testing has many alias names are there. Build verification testing, BVT, build acceptance testing, BAT, confidence testing is called CT. So these are the alias names. Alias means other names. Actually, it is always performing on an unstable build. The build which is coming from development team to testing team. The testing team first checking basic functionalities or compulsory functionalities of an application. The primary objective of smoke testing is to identify critical issues in the early stages of software development life cycle. What are the key characteristics of smoke testing? There are majorly three characteristics existed. One is preliminary testing, basic functionality, frequent execution. What is the meaning of preliminary testing? Smoke testing actually conducting as the beginning of the testing cycle. I said already the build is coming from development team to testing team. What is a build? A build is nothing but developed software which is stable or unstable, which is going to decide. Smoke testing is going to be decide. In that one, only as a test engineer we are concentrating mandatory and basic functionalities. If you can take one registration form. In every registration form, some of the inputs are mandatory from the end user. So those mandatory inputs properly behaving or not, we are checking. See, verifying the application launches. The main features accessible. The primary workflow correctly executing. That is the basic functionality checking in smoke testing. And the last and third characteristics is frequent execution. Every build, whenever the build is coming from development team to testing team, on every build, testing team performing, the first testing name is called smoke testing. Is the behavior of the application perfectly working or not in the view of preliminary testing or basic functionality testing? What are the benefits of smoke testing? There are the majorly three benefits. Early we can find defects. That is we are calling early detection of defects. Improves stability and save time and efforts. First, we can try to check it, early detection of defects. Correct. The smoke testing main goal is, before we are going to other testing cycles, in the name of other types of testing. So, we are going to find out the major issues quickly. We are going to prevent all kinds of defects in the later stages. Save time and effort. Smoke testing is saving lot of time and efforts because smoke testing always performing on critical issues. It is reducing repetition of defects. At the same time, the time and effort required for subsequent testing phases, and improves stability. It ensures that only stable builds are subjected more detailed testing, enhancing the overall quality and reliability of the software. So main benefit is early detection. What is a smoke testing? The process. Mainly three components we can say here. Identifying critical test cases, means high priority. Prepare test environment, executing those test cases. So select the set of test cases which are covering the essential functionality of the application. Please try to understand. That is only high priority test cases. For that purpose, the test environment is going to ready, and we ensure it closely resembles the production environment. And executing these test cases on the selected environment and selected test cases on the every new build. Focus on validating the primary and major and basic functionalities, identifying any showstopper issues. What is the meaning of showstopper issues? Which is giving problem to access the application is called showstopper. It is not allowing to go to next step is called showstopper. For example, you open one application, there is some window is coming, it is not giving any chance to enter username or password. It is not giving any chance to register yourself. It is not giving any chance to order a product. So that is what exactly showstopper. Let me give one example on the smoke testing e-commerce application level, which is right now highly demanded in the market, e-commerce domain. User login registration. So as a smoke testing performer, what you need to do? Verify the users which we can register, which we user registered properly login or not, properly log out or not. And we are going to search one particular product, for example. Ensure that users can search for products and perfect product details they are getting or not. This is also very important point. Add to cart and checkout. Correct. Some products we are going to add into cart, and perfect checkout is happening or not with proper payment processing. Validating the payment gateway functioning correctly or not, we are going to check it. Order confirmation. Finally, we need to ensure that users receive an order confirmation after successful completion of the payment or successful purchasing. So this is the simple and best e-commerce application steps for smoke testing. Finally, a smoke testing is an essential part of the testing process that helps ensure basic functionality of every new build is correctly working or not. With this one, we are catching the critical issues in the application. Smoke testing is much helpful, and it is giving the quality and stability of the software. It is saving lot of time and resources. Thank you each and everyone for watching my videos, my dears. Please like, share and subscribe.